Welcome back to Ethical Hacker TV. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a complete ethical hacking lab. We'll do it safely, legally, and totally for free. All you need is VirtualBox Kali Linux and a vulnerable machine called Metasploitable. If you've ever wanted to learn hacking without risking your own computer or getting into legal trouble, this is your starting point. The same type of setup that cybersecurity students, penetration testers, and professional ethical hackers use every single day to practice their skills. So, grab a coffee and let's build it. First up, we need to install VirtualBox. Think of VirtualBox as a digital playground. It lets you run multiple virtual computers right inside your real computer, free. And you can download it from virtualbox.org. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. While you're there, make sure to also download the VirtualBox extension pack. Go ahead and install both of them. The default settings are perfectly fine. Once that's done, you officially have a secure space to build our lab. Step 2. Let's get your hacker machine. Kali Linux. Kali is the gold standard for ethical hacking. It's an operating system packed with hundreds of pre-installed hacking tools, ready to go. Head over to kali.org downloads. Make sure you choose the installer ISO file, not the live version. This will be the machine you use to launch all your attacks from. Now, let's put Kali inside VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox and click New. Name it Kali Linux. For the type, select Linux, and for the version, choose Debian 64-bit. I recommend giving it about 2 to 4 GB of RAM, 2 CPU cores, and a 30 GB virtual hard drive. 2. After creating the machine, you'll attach that Kali ISO file we've just downloaded and start it up. The installation is straightforward. A good username and password to use is simply Kali for both. When it asks about software, the default toolset is all you need for now. And just like that, your attacking machine is ready. Next, every hacker needs a target. Führers. Das Metasploitable 2. This is a special virtual machine that was intentionally designed to be vulnerable and easy to hack. It's the perfect, safe target for practice. Just search for Metasploitable to download, and you'll find the official source. Download the VM appliance, which is a VMDK file. Back in VirtualBox, create another new machine, this time set to Type 2 Linux and the version to Ubuntu 32-bit. Instead of creating a new hard disk, you'll attach the Metasploitable VMDK file you've downloaded. That's it, no installation required. Now for the most important step. Setting up a safe, isolated network. You absolutely do not want your vulnerable machine connected to the internet or your home network. In VirtualBox, go into the settings for both your Kali and Metasploitable machines. Under the Network tab, change the setting from NAT to Internal Network. Give it a name, something like Hacken Lab. By doing this, you've created a private bubble where only Kali and Metasploitable can communicate with each other. It's completely sealed off from the outside world. It's time to boot up the lab. Start both your Kali Linux and Metasploitable virtual machines. To log into Metasploitable, the username is musfadmin, and the password is also musfadmin. Once you're in, open a terminal and type ifconfig. This will show you the IP address of your target machine. Make a note of that IP. You're going to need it in a second. Alright, let's do our first real hacking technique. Switch over to your Kali machine and open the terminal. Type the command Nmap sv, followed by the IP address of your Metasploitable machine. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. Nmap will scan the target and show you all of its open ports, the services running on them, and even their software versions. There. This is the first step in almost every real-world penetration test. Congratulations! You just performed your first network reconnaissance scan. Want to try your first exploit? Let's do it. In the Kali terminal, type Metasploit to launch the Metasploit framework. This is a powerful tool for launching exploits. You can search for vulnerabilities we found with Nmap like VSFTPD. Once you find an exploit, you load it, set the target's IP address, and type run. If everything works, you'll get a shell session full remote control inside the vulnerable machine. You just successfully completed your first ethical exploit in a completely safe lab. From here, the possibilities are endless. You can expand your lab by adding a Windows 10 virtual machine to practice on, or download web application targets like DVWA or OWASP Juice Shop. The more you build and practice in your lab, the better your skills will become. You've just built a full ethical hacking lab, complete with an attacker, a target, and a secure network. With this setup, you can start learning password cracking, web hacking, exploitation, and so much more. This is the foundation every great ethical hacker builds upon. If you found this useful and want a full series where we dive deeper into each of these tools, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Ethical Hacker TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly cybersecurity skills.